On behalf of CBMnet, the Crossing Biological Membranes Network, I'd like to welcome you all to Sheffield. The long-term future for industrial biotechnology is very bright, I think. It's a great route to the generation, the production of a more sustainable planet, and to help to benefit the people who are populating that planet.
NIBB is a company which looks for talents all the time, and you can see that some of the young talents here. We joined a year back and a few years back, and already they're doing lots of projects of responsibility. It is not just working in the lab, pair of hands, it's actually leading projects, doing stuff that impacts consumers.
All of our staff will tell you they've had the benefit of a leg up from somebody giving them advice, somebody in industry saying, well, have you thought about this or what about that? And so we're here today because this gives us an opportunity to do exactly the same thing in a pay-it-forward kind of fashion.
It's great to see so many different people and so many different opportunities, and to be able to bounce ideas off, to find out what jobs, what opportunities, what is going to be available in the years to come for each different career path.
We've got a range of different roles in our company, from apprentice lab technicians all the way up to senior scientist, and then associated roles like IP manager, CTO, CEO, you know, the head honchos. But yeah, it's a great place to work.
The experience you have already in your PhD or postdoc needs to have some sort of relevance to what we're doing. We're not looking for people who've run 10,000 litre bioreactors, because we recognise that's not something that goes on, but we're looking for people who do have relevant technical experience.
What Ingredients to Connect are here to do is to take people with brilliant ideas out of the lab and bring them into the real world. And we're there to support you, and we're looking for people with brilliant ideas in food, ingredients, food technology.
It's incredibly important to remember that when you're doing a PhD or a postdoctoral position, it's not just about the scientific skills you get, it's about the transferable skills you get as well. And I work with a lot of industrial partners that recognise the value of those skills, and taking those skills and identifying them, getting concrete examples of how you've exhibited them and bringing them into your job application will strengthen those.
CPI is a great place to work because it's very diverse. We get involved in all aspects of science. It's very challenging because it's an R&D, but we help companies to develop their processes and ultimately put their products on the market.
Oxford Biotrans is a spin-out from Oxford University, which is based on using enzyme technology to create high-value chemicals. We're really interested in getting involved with NIBBs and getting involved with networks of PhD and early career researchers to find new talent and sort of grow our business.
UCB are a patient-centric biopharmaceutical company working on antibody drugs, and it's a really great place to work.
I am a research scientist. I've only been at UCB for about a year, but I'm really enjoying it. I was a postdoc before then, so I made a change from academia into industry, and I haven't regretted it. I'm really enjoying working there.
So Chain Biotechnology is a recent startup company founded in 2014, and we're focusing on high-value therapeutics and chemicals for the industrial biotech and healthcare sectors. Ideally, we're using Clostridium bacteria. We're genetically manipulating them to be live biotherapeutic products that can be ingested and used to treat intestinal disease.
Currently, I am involved in academia, so it was really nice to find out how many different companies there are out there and what they do and what they represent.
The wonderful things that we get to do is help our members with training, with grants, with coming along to events, networking, professional registration, post-normal letters, and we're here to really support the future of biology in the UK.
The way I got from doing bench science in 2007 to basically being the boss of the group and not having to do lab work anymore at all was by not just doing the job that was expected of me, so not just doing the tasks that I was expected to do, but actually looking around and seeing what else in the company needs doing. What can we do to improve things? And then is there something that I can do to help out there?
A majority of the world's best-selling pharmaceuticals now are protein-based, requiring a large biotechnology knowledge to deliver them. So the career opportunities in the next decade or so are looking very bright for people with biotechnology as their science background.